Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Home. Today, we're going to show you a neat trick for customizing your iPhone's home screen by changing app icons. Let's get started. Step 1. Prepare your icons. First, you'll need to choose the new icons you want to use. You can find these on websites or create your own using apps like Canva or Photoshop. Step 2. Using Shortcuts app. Open the Shortcuts app on your iPhone. If you don't have it, download it from the App Store. Tap on the plus icon to create a new shortcut. Step 3. Add action. Tap on Add action and search for Open App. Select it. Choose the app you want to customize. Step 4. Customize shortcut. Tap on the 3 dots to edit the shortcut's details. Tap on the current icon and select Choose Photo. Pick the new icon you downloaded or created. Step 5. Add to home screen. Tap Add to home screen. Rename the shortcut if you wish, and tap Add. Step 6. Replace original icon. Hold down the original app icon until it wiggles. Tap the Remove App option. Confirm by tapping Delete App, then Delete. Step 7. Place custom icon. Drag your new shortcut to where the original app was on your home screen. Repeat these steps for each app icon you want to change. Conclusion. And there you have it. Your iPhone's home screen is now uniquely personalized with custom app icons. Enjoy the new look and feel of your device. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. See you next time.